Okay, guys, ice maker, small one. That's what we got. So I check a free one here. It's R600A, but I'm not feeling like it's getting started. I'm not feeling nothing. Maybe it's relay, maybe something. I'll check it out right now. Or it could be electronics somewhere too. Okay guys, I got a Viking double stove. So basically our light's not working in the top. Time it's not working. And on this one too, light it's not working. Except oven. Oven is getting right away light. It looks like it's a motherboard behind there. Okay guys, we got Sub-Zero, model number 532. So what I'm experiencing up here is this door. It's not locking like it's supposed to be. I checked. It looks like it's not getting magnetized. And when I'm trying to close, it's coming out from a... It's not closing all the way up. It's opening. Even there it's not magnetizing. Got Samsung washer. It's not going to spin or rinse.
I mean, this is what it's been doing.
Start to wash, but yeah, it started. It looks like. Okay, guys, we got a washer, Kenmore, Sears product unit. It's not turning on and it's not spinning. No agitation. And where's the problem, mate? It's right there. Okay guys, MDTECH dishwasher. So I had a problem. Unit wasn't turning on. I had just lights. I've been pushing the light up here. Been coming here. It wasn't started. So I changed the lock. I changed fuse, and after this one I start to change control board. It got back right away. Okay, we got Whirlpool dryer. It's not going to spin, nothing.
I don't know. Do you have the receipt, honey?
It's staying and it's not going to spin a drum. Okay guys, we got LG washer. Customer been complaining about leak, so I start to open up there with the filter and pump. Nothing been coming. When I open the cover, I just realized what we got going on. So liquid coming right there from a water valve. Looking, as you can see, looking pretty good. So even I'm trying to start now, and or to cancel. It's not going nowhere, just beeping.